Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So in this SQL tutorial series, we are going to see mathematical operators. So first of all, what is a mathematical operators? So mathematical operator is used to perform the calculation on the numerical data directly within your query. For example, if you want to do any addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and remainder, we can able to use those symbols and then we can able to do the mathematical operations. For example, if you want to do any addition operation between base salary and bonus, then if you want to do that, so then we can add as a just basically add a symbol. So basically you want to add the base salary plus bonus, right? So you have to type base salary plus bonus, right? Just you bonus as a total. So that's the thing you want to find out, right? So if you run the query, so now if you see the 101 employee ID, so 90,000 plus 10,000, so will be 1 lakh, right? So basically we will get 1 lakh as a total salary. What we did the addition. So we use the plus symbol, so and then we added the both base salary and bonus. So now we need to subtract the bonus from the base salary. So how do you do that? Base salary minus bonus. So just you can run the query. Base salary is 90,000, bonus is 10,000. If you minus the bonus, you will get a 80,000 as a total salary. So that's the thing we got. Now we have a requirement to add 10 percentage of the bonus for each employee. So you want to increase that, right? Basically, if you do the multiplication between 1.1 into bonus, then if you do the addition, so then we will get the 10 percentage increase on this bonus, right? Basically if you do the 10 percentage increase in the bonus, if you do the 10,000, you will get a 10,000 plus 1,000, right? 11,000 will get 11,000 plus 90,000, it's a 1 lakh 1,000 rupees, right? We got the total as per our requirement. We solved the problem now. So you just divided the bonus into, so divided the bonus with base salary. That's a requirement. So how do you do that? Base salary divided by bonus. You just use a slash. So if you run the query, it will be divided. It will be, you will get a whole values, right? So you will got the result. Now you want to find out the remainder. If you divided by the base salary divided by bonus, now you just need a remainder value. Whatever the remainder value you got, so that's the thing you want to get. You just use a modulo. So just use the percentage. Uh, yeah. So just to run the query, we got the result. This is the remainder value. So as per our requirement, we solve this problem. So now you can use the same query if you want to practice this example. Just you can go to this website. Just you can try it out. If you know the answer, just try it out in the comment box. So if you like this video, just subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.